Busy nga ang aktor na si Paolo Avellino sa pagpupromote ng kanilang serye na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, kung saan nagkaroon pa ng media junket kamakailan. Ipapalabas na kasi ang naturang serye sa Free TV at iba't ibang platform ng ABS-CBN ngayong darating na May 25, May 26, mag-uumpisa.
Grabe, anil doon?
Yung sa parang aparador, sa cabinet. Serious, ilang takes yon?
Hello?
Ay, wow!
Isa or dalawa siguro for para dun sa backshot. Pero it's funny because when Direct Chad was shooting that, parang iconic rin kasi ata yung scene na yun sa
That's
original. So ayaw rin namin mapahiya. So parang ginandahan rin Direct Chad para sa viewers natin.
Lagari rin ang aktor sa mga shows mapaprobinsya man o kung saang iba't ibang lugar. While si Janine Gutierrez naman ay magiging busy na rin sa mga susunod na araw dahil malapit na silang mag-taping ng serye under Dreamscape Entertainment at makakasama nga niya dito sina Jericho Rosales at Chody Santa Maria. Anyway, may mga task naman si Nini na nag-failed siya kaya naman bilang parusa ay kailangan niya mag-live sa kanyang Instagram account ng 5 minutes at 15 minutes naman sa kanyang TikTok account. Ito nga ang parusa sa kanya kapag hindi niya nagawa ang mga task na ipinapagawa sa kanya ng kanyang mga kapatid at mga pinsan.
And tomorrow, so I'm done now with work for today. I just have a Zoom later at 5 p.m. and then chill na. But tomorrow, guys, if you're free tomorrow, I'm gonna be going to the Little Gaza Bazaar in UP. So if you guys are free tomorrow or you're in the area, let's go there. And yeah, so there's this community in, they live in Don Antonio now. Song request? Walang song request. But yeah, so Little Gaza is a community of Filipino-Palestinians that are refugees now in the Philippines. And they're trying to rebuild their lives after losing everything in the war. So now nagpo-food bazaar sila to raise funds and raise awareness. So I hope you guys can go tomorrow. I think it's in my highlights, so check nyo. You love my chin? Joke ba to? Double chin. But yeah, please, let's go to the Little Gaza Bazaar tomorrow. It'll be fun and super sarap to ng food doon. Hi, Ate Jewel. Max has to do a live also, so can you please tell her that she has to do her live? So, hi, Max. Oh, tomorrow, Ate JC, it starts at 10 a.m. And then after, parang meron silang talk, kakwento nila yung experiences nila sa Gaza and like moving back here to the Philippines. And then after, there's a walk. I think there's a walk for peace. But yeah, for sure sa bazaar, I'm gonna go there. So parang tagal pala ng 5 minutes, guys. But okay, may questions daw dito. Oh, exciting yung question. Di ko masagot kasi spoiler. Yeah. Hey, Ate Jewel, congrats on your grad. Oh, hello, Miss Chingay from Lebanon. My mom's husband is also from Lebanon. So hello, I hope you're okay there. Hi, Angela. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh, 1 hour. Hindi ko na yata. Ayan, nag-alarm na. 5 minutes na. Thank you so much, guys. Actually, masaya pala siya, but I still have to do 15 minutes on... Oh, nagagalit si Pachi sa alarm. I have to do 15 minutes on TikTok. Can you guys follow me there na lang? Okay, love you guys. Bye. Thank you so much for joining. Oh my God, paano i-end? Lord!
So eto nga guys, ang pinaka-latest kaganapan ngayon sa Paunin. Mga ka-scoop, anong inyong magiging reaction sa bidyong ito? Comment below.